Hi guys, I just wanted to give you a little tour of our classroom's Canvas. As you can see down at the bottom of your screen, there's a little purple bar, and this is showing you in the student view what you see when you log into Canvas. As you can see over here on the left-hand side, you have some pages or links to pages that will take you to the important things that we use for class. So when you're on the home page, you can go to quick links, which include our Indie Reading Google form and tutoring paths. If you need to come into tutoring in the morning, you'll just click that and you can open up the tutoring paths that I've put there for you guys, along with your independent reading Google form that you should fill out each time you start a new book for class. If you go back up to quick links, or go back to home rather, underneath quick links I've included some book lists for you. If you have finished your independent reading book and you need some new suggestions, I've included links to our library page, Bookfinder websites, and some other lists that you guys can browse through as you're looking for great books to read this year. The next page is going to take you to our modules, and here is where I have added what we do each week in class. This is especially important if you're absent one day. You can click on the week. We'll go now to second 6 weeks since that's where we are. You can click on the page for that week and you can see what we've done in class. A lot of times I'll upload documents that I've passed out or links to assignments that we've done on Canvas or other things, but this way you can kind of keep up, especially if you're absent for a couple of days or if you just need to review what we did that day. Another important feature on Canvas that we're going to use a lot this year is the assignment link. A lot of times I'll ask you to upload assignments to Canvas, or I'll give you an exit ticket or upload presentations. I'll open this last assignment that I assigned you guys on Canvas. This was the last thing we did. This is an exit ticket for the poem A Man, where I asked you guys to put in the theme statement. Here are the directions for the assignment. You will need to click Submit Assignment. I know that sounds kind of weird because usually we'll say Submit Assignment after we've typed, but you have to click that first, and then as you scroll down you'll get a little text box. So you can copy and paste your submission here, or you can type in the answer in this box. And if you scroll down, you'll hit Submit Assignment. Make sure you hit this blue button, because if not, I won't be able to see it on my end. For the most part, these are the most things that we will use in Canvas. The home page, the announcements page. Oh, I forgot to look at that one. Any announcements for class I will post here. This was one of the last posts I sent you guys about your interactive notebook checks. Make sure you're checking these as I post them, but on your iPads you should get an announcement when I post something. One more feature that I want to show you before we go is the calendar feature. I will put important dates on this calendar for you guys. Things like when presentations are due, when we're taking our CBAs, your interactive notebook checks, assignments that I've assigned through Canvas will automatically pop up the day that they were due, and any other important dates. So if you have any questions, please let me know. But this is our Canvas. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.